To do?
We call it Hmong people, we call it Mang. So it's very important for the Hmong people, especially Hmong people that we grow hemp every year. And why it's so important for Hmong people? Because hemp is we can use to make a fabric, and then when we are Hmong people, when we are alive, we can wear whatever we wanted to wear. But when we die, we have to wear only hemp or cotton, have to be 100% organic. So the things that we wear have to go away back to the soil after we die. So that's why it's really important for Hmong people, and that's why we still keep hemp into today. Then I noticed that it's really difficult to keep them, and there's so many steps before you can make it into a fabric, but it's still really important for the Hmong people, so that's why we keep it into today. So now I invite you to join with our Hmong people to harvest hemp.
Thank you, Miss Ben.
So this is the knife that we use to cut the hemp, okay?
Yeah.
Biết ôn tao, biết mà ôn tao biết chạy biết ná, giờ biết tôi nói biết xịt ná xưa, giờ biết nhớ chỉ mà biết ra mà biết cho nó mang rồi chứ. Nhớ đều là nó mang. Tôi đây nó chơi nó dùng tôi mang ở chỗ chơi má dùng cho tôi chơi trong trái đó, lát này, tôi đi đây chơi dùng mang ở chỗ đi làm ná nó tôi cho tôi cái gì mà nó tại nhầm ba tôi mà lát ná nữa. Tôi có muốn đời cho lâu nhớ chơi hay cho lâu chơi chụp ná, đâu mà đâu tôi gặp cho lâu biết cho lâu thế nào. Đó là bây giờ biết tôi con tôi ở hậu lụt trên nó chơi là nó tôi rồi có một cái mà cái gì chụp ná đâu mà đâu tôi thì giờ biết món nào món gì phải đọc không màu đấy nữa hả
cái từ lỡ
Chị cha là thế rồi hả?
So how we can doing the cloth, the hemp cloth. First stage we had the sea, and then from the sea we will plow in the mud, the plow in the field, and then we use the sea and we throw around the ground, and then the trees come out. That will be take about 2 months to 3 months. And then when it grows enough, we cut them and we take over the leaf, and then we bring home and we drying. We dry like this one. We take off the skin. So this one. We take off the skin. This is how we try out the skin. That's it depends because this little bit dry, so they're not enough. But sometimes they can get long down. Yeah. And we go like this one. And after we go, yes, this is just an example. It's not perfect one, but it's just example because they can do better too and longer. Yeah. Yeah. And we do like that. And we put in our hand like this. Big enough, we might one thing, and we put in the hole and we pound it. Yeah. After we pound it, still like this one, little bit shorter, you know, and we put in somewhere like this, and we after we pound it, okay, this no pound here. When we pound it, they will go like this, or like maybe I just use my hand to do that, something like this, yeah. So like that, okay. So we pound it, there will be like this streak, you know, like that, okay? Like this, you see? Then we pound it, that will go like this. Oh, yes, you have it. You see? Enough like this, right?
Yes.
And after with this one, we will take up this down like this, because this we already pound. You see? This one is straight like this, straight here.
Yes.
And this, when you pound, they will go like that.
Yes.
Yeah?
Softer.
After that, we will go in take
take this off like this one. Okay, we take this off
Ba
and
phụ
we
có ba mẹ
put somewhere here.
ba mẹ phải một tiếng
And
thọ.
we take one by one.
Có ba mẹ phải một tiếng.
Yes, we take one by one, and then we are using our hand. Normally, different Hmong people, we have white Hmong or black Hmong or blue Hmong, we do different, but like we do like this.
Đi.
And then from here, we will
Papa.
my little hole here, like this, and we put
Dạ.
that together.
Hả?
Together. Yeah. So we put together like this. And we roll it together, and we make the like this one.
Ba chỉ bộ.
Okay.
Yes.
We straight
Ngay là
together.
tiếng ô tai mà.
You just take the end a little bit off
Này
like this.
nó ô đàn lòng ô tai mà.
You
Gì
make
cho
the
đừng
hole
lo ha.
again.
Chúng ta chỉ hả?
We hold this one.
Muốn lòng nhanh tôi muốn xong mà. Thế nhưng tôi đi làm thế. Nhưng tôi muốn làm thế hả? Nhớ đâu hả?
This one is just are not expert, so the woman here they're more expert. They even do better, you know. They choose the right
Thế
person,
nhưng tôi muốn
right
ngoài
thing
nó à.
to put together. Find the better thing, and then after that they can do better.
Cả muốn luôn miệng đâu nhá ba kinh này à.
Better material, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, so they have to put that together. Please know that you can use the ash to
Huh?
make the sauce there. You use some ash or
The ash.
any salt to make your hand and not so bleed, like kind of not so straight, yeah, like slippery.
Yes.
And you
Slippery.
like call like slippery. And you can make it like that. You see?
Yes.
This
Nó
one,
qua luôn.
put together. And
Yes.
take up the end like this again. And then
Có muốn thì có muốn thì muốn có để
here you can
nó biết cho ba mà. Ya bao chỉ mò cái này
you
à.
can stick
Anh
together.
ơi đi giật khai nó đi giật cửa đi chết đi chết. Ta mày chỉ một theo.
This one.
Để theo thủ đô là nó chỉ cái đấy hả?
Yes.
Okay, they're all together.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, like this.
Over and over.
Over and over, okay? And then when you have a lot of this, lot of this one, then you will
Xin thì nhận rồi, nhận rồi.
you will put on the water for 1 day or half day. There will be sauce, and then you will put in the like kind of well, you know.
Mình sẽ đi cho vui.
And you
Sao lo tiêu lưỡi cá sang cái thế nè.
It's a glove. Careful to put your hand in the stain.
like this stronger together, like this.
Yes.
Yeah. Like you see this bigger, but this go to roll and roll. There will be
So they're twisting
streak,
it, right?
streak together. Yeah, they can streak together like this. Yeah, and after they treat together, then they will be in a stick, you know, like a stick, you know, look like a
Above
stick,
it.
like the
Yeah.
sausage, you know. put together stick,
Yeah,
and then they
bobbin.
put a big well again,
Yes.
the small well, and then the big well again.
Yes.
So they will put everything go around the well and things like that.
Em đã tự động thì chơi nó vậy.
nó ăn nông thế.
Ô nông ra ô sai cả hai chỉ là chỉ xem đâu đi.
Chỉ xem đau phi cả ha.
So when we have the big thread like that around a big well, we take out. We will cook for 1 day, and then we wash, and then we will put inside the big pot, and we leave it there for 3 days. After 3 days, we will cook 3 days, 3 nights. For each 1 night, 1 day, we will wash 1 more time. 3 days, 3 nights. So it's meaning we have to wash three times. Wash like 1 night, 1 day we wash. We drain the water, the river we wash 1 time,
Yes.
and we will do that 3 times. Yes. And after that we will cook with the wax.
Yeah.
Cook with the wax about
Oh.
30 minutes.
Cook with the wax.
Yeah, because the wax will be like slippery.
Yeah. So they put the wax in the water.
Okay, so we cook very hot water, then we put the wax in there. So when the wax spray everywhere, then they will put the thread inside for 3 minutes or 1 hour. We cook with the wax, then we will take off. After we take off, we will put in dry. After dry, we will put a big, very big wood, and we will also put with the rod. Then we will mind there will be softer. Because they are like that, straight like this, right? And now they will flat a bit.
Yeah.
This we made the flat here. You see? This is what they are doing. That is the last one. You see? Like this.
Oh.
Like this. You see
After.
that? Yeah. After flat. You see that
Oh, I
flatter,
see.
you know? So mine the straight is stronger and stronger. You see, even you see no see what I doing. You see, cannot see. You see the
Yes.
what I doing. Pulling together. That's the other one. I'm pulling together. You see.
Yes.
So you put one by one, right?
Right.
So you see here, you don't know where is that.
Yes.
You don't know, you know. You cannot see. You only see little bit here. So you don't
Right.
see. But a little bit flat, you know, like straight like this and now flat. And after that, you doing that, you will put together like this one, you know. You will put in the well again.
Oh, wheel
Yeah,
again.
you put on the well again. When the white like this, and then you put in back like this. You put like this. You put like this, and then you put one again to put on the weaving, and from there you will weaving. Yeah.
Cái này nghe gì?
Chị nhớ tới xong rồi. Chị nhớ tới xong rồi.
Chẳng bị sức nào à?
Nhớ tới xong rồi. Xong rồi. Ê, con cháu con cho dưới mà kiểu. Rồi, cái đĩa không biết cho nó xuống chơi đó. Ủa, nó có mua được cái gì với nào á? Được cái gì đó?
Thôi, còn không chơi ra. Cái sọc sữa à.
Để nhá, một ít từ úp lên, một ít từ chị út tao mà một ít từ úp lên không ơi.
Chưa?
Chú. Tụi chú nói tham này ô hơn chứ mà hết chả.
Giờ,
Ai giờ?
giờ. Thì là lúc nào xuống nữa ấy.
Xin lỗi tụi nó nhớ gì đấy này á.
Chị đi theo khí rồi.
Được cái chuyện gì chứ?
Thì tôi chụp chờ cho đó.
Ra xì phải ra cái gì này.
Giờ là ra rồi.
Chẳng phải vậy.
Let's go.
Let's go. Right? Yeah, you put your gun down to her. Now she will put inside and dye. Here, you see her hand?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a blue hand. You see? Okay, come here. You see how they're doing the... Come here. I show you how they're doing the... How they're doing the shiny part of the... Yeah, he sleep on the car. Yeah, they do a shiny part, shiny material. You see?
She's making.
Shiny. You can have a look. Yeah.
Did you leave it in the bedroom or in the kitchen?
How shiny! So beautiful, right? You see, to my the shiny clothes. Yeah.
That is amazing. You're gonna learn so much.
Yeah, you see? It's just shiny.
I would try. No, I would too.
You want to try?
No, I like to look. I have time. You can do it. You can do it. She has time.
Yeah, she had a lot of time.
I'm too old and my balance is good.
Yeah, balance, yeah. It's good, huh?
Are they allowed to wash it then? Will it wash off like that?
Yeah, they can wash in them. But after when we have made the material, then if you want sauce, then we will cook one day, one night with ash and the wax. Yeah. And after that, we can make other thing like clothes or thing. But sometimes we don't need to. Some people they need like more strong. They don't need to cook anymore. They can just dye and then they can make the clothes. So it depends what they use for.
Yeah.
After they be marinated.
Okay.
Yes, that's how the process.
Yes,
so
thank you.
It's kind of long time.